Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rajesh Agrawal, Faculty of BA JMC Department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on music in cinema. Music is a form of art that uses sound organized in time. Music is also a form of entertainment that puts sound together in a way that people like, find interesting, or dance to. Most music includes people singing with their voices or playing musical instruments such as the piano, guitar, drums, violin, etc. etc. A successful film captures the emotions of the audience, and a powerful score can help to inspire those feelings. Music can make us to feel sad, hopeful, scared, anxious, or elated. Music provides us with cues about how we are supposed to feel during a movie scene. Music in film achieves a number of things. It establishes settings, it creates atmosphere, it calls attention to elements, it reinforces or foreshadows narrative developments, it gives meaning to a character's action or translates their thoughts, and it creates emotions. The common element of music are pitch, which governs melody and harmony, rhythm and its associated concepts like tempo, meter and articulations, dynamics, loudness and softness, and the sonic qualities of timbre and texture, which are sometimes termed the color of a musical sound. Different styles of music may emphasize, de-emphasize or omit some of these elements. Music is performed with a vast range of instruments and vocal techniques ranging from singing to rapping. There are solely instrumental pieces, solely vocal pieces, and pieces that combine singing and instruments. There are many types of music, including popular music, traditional music, art music, classical music, folk music, light music, music for religious ceremonies, western music, and work songs such as chanty, etc. Functions of music in film. A composer depends entirely upon the nature of the film for all the clues needed to write a suitable score. There are numerous types of film: dramas, comedies, western, actions, thriller, period, romance, etc. The overall concept of the film will dictate the musical plan and feelings to be evoked by the score. There are many different ways in which music can enhance a film. Music can create a mood or atmosphere in a much shorter time than words and picture. Music can be a part of a storyline. Music can provide information by setting an atmosphere, time period, or a specific country or place. It can suggest something about to happen even though the visual image may not. It can build suspense or heighten the intensity of the visual image. It can emphasize on emotion so that the audience reaction will be stronger. Music can tell the audience about the personality or state of mind or thoughts of a character in a way that the words and pictures may not. Thus, there are many different purposes that music can have in a film. Commonly, there are two main forms of film music: realistic music and functional music. Any type of musical performance that appears in the action as a part of the storyline is a realistic music, like solo song, instrumental performance, dance sequence, score music, etc. While music that underlines the storyline or emphasizes the emotion, mood or action is a functional music. For example, atmosphere music, mood music, neutral music, title music, action music, background music, etc. In this way, it becomes an integral part of the dramatic pattern of the film's structure. Think about how the music you choose lends to the message you are trying to convey and the atmospheres you are trying to create to the audience. Music is the color of your film, painting in parts of the story where your script and dialogue do not. Music can create a convincing atmosphere for your setting, help tell your story, and strike an emotional chord, all of which are elements that have your audience wanting more. It also allows the audience the ability to connect emotionally to your characters and their situation, and you, the filmmaker, to reinforce your story. The added music changes the audience's mood entirely and provokes strong emotions from them. Or at least in a horror movie, it lets us know when we should cover our eyes. Just remember that the music and the picture should relate to one another in order to inspire the desired effect upon the audience. Most music in films can be heard in the background of a scene, or sometimes it takes center stage in an action sequence. But either way, the right music does make a statement. The most common style of movie music is instrumental because music with lyrics often distracts the audience from the intended storyline or dialogue. I hope you have understand the topic music in cinema. Please like, share and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.